There are so many tools that help you identify how your audience is engaging with your website, what they're doing, when they're leaving, and what they're most interested in. But one thing we seem to always want to know more is more about them. How can we target them before they start talking to us? How can we engage them, email them, direct mail them, and even shoot them a customized message across different platforms like social media and search engines before they told us specifically who they are? Well, if you've been searching for this tool, I've got your answer in today's episode of Hard Facts. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week we're talking about P2Pixel. So P2Pixel is a tool that will allow you to discover over 300 different fields about everybody that comes over to your website, if they're not in an incognito window. But here's what I love about it, is it really allows you to create a customized marketing message based on segmenting all of the visitors to your website and creating highly targeted and customized content for each of those users. So what is P2Pixel and how does it work? Well, it is a piece of code that we place on your website. By placing this code on your website, you're now able to collect all of this data about users that come over to your site. Some of this data includes their name, their email, their address, where they're located, their interests, what their credit score is, what vehicle they drive, do they currently rent or own, what kind of credit cards do they have, do they like pets, do they like to spend time outdoors? The information goes on and on. But what is great about this is you can now take this information on a weekly, a monthly basis and segment your audience based on the most common parameters you have available. Now think about how you could use this. You could create custom audiences across almost every platform available to you in your marketing strategy. By pairing those most common fields, you can then create ads that talk to those outdoor enthusiasts, or talk to those pet lovers, or talk to people with children, or talk to people in the service industry, or talk to people that make over $100,000 a year. What a great way to make sure you're tailoring your message to your audience and the audience can buy your product or service. Now by doing this, extending it past just your social media networks or your search engine marketing, a great way to then further your conversation is by sending them an email. Now you want to make sure you're not doing this through your CRM because again, this is going to be a list of customers who have been on your website, but also may or may not have that engagement that you're going to need to want to make sure your CRM is staying as clean as possible. So a MailChimp, a SurveyMonkey, any other tool like that is going to be great to incorporate here. But now you can create a customized sequence of drip emails that you're sending these customers to further push them down the funnel based on the information you know. Because did I mention, you can find out all of the pages they visited while on your website, or you can find out the page they left while on your website. So it gives you that opportunity to further customize that email marketing campaign. And these are just a few of the ways that you can use P2Pixel technology. And the question whenever utilizing data is, how clean is this data? Well, it is your data. It is customers coming to your website, and before it is ever shared with you, it goes through a 13-point inspection. So a verification process to ensure that you are getting accurate individuals, not just spam traffic from overseas. These days, we need to be proactive with our marketing, messaging, and conversations. In order to do so, we developed P2Pixel, and it is a tool, a technology that you can utilize in your business. If you're interested in seeing P2Pixel in action and how it can work for your organization, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me an email at hardfacts@ppadv.com. We can set up a time where I can walk you through the tool itself and how it's been working for our clients. But with every episode of Hard Facts, my goal is to make sure you walk away with an actionable strategy, which is why I recommended some of the top ways P2Pixel is working for our clients today earlier in this episode. So if you have questions or want to see P2Pixel further in action, I look forward to speaking with you.